Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Sendwave in 2025. Sendwave is a digital money transfer platform that allows you to send money to friends and family in other countries. To get started, first download the Sendwave app from the App Store or visit the Sendwave website. Once you have the app or are on the website, create an account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. You will also need to verify your identity by providing a government-issued ID. After your account is set up, you can start sending money. To do this, select the country you want to send money to and the amount you want to send. You will then be asked to enter the recipient's information, including their name and phone number. Next, choose your payment method. Sendwave accepts a variety of payment methods, including debit cards, credit cards, and bank transfers. Enter your payment information and review the transaction details to make sure everything is correct. Before you send the money, make sure you understand the fees and exchange rates. Sendwave charges a small fee for each transaction, and the exchange rate will depend on the current market rate. You can check the fees and exchange rates on the Sendwave website or in the app. Once you have reviewed the transaction details, click Send and the money will be on its way. The recipient will receive a text message or email with instructions on how to pick up the money. In most cases, the money will be available within minutes. To keep your account and transactions secure, make sure to use a strong password and keep your account information up to date. You should also only send money to people you know and trust. In addition to sending money, Sendwave also offers other features such as the ability to track your transactions and view your transaction history. You can also contact customer support if you have any questions or issues with your account. In conclusion, using Sendwave is a simple and convenient way to send money to friends and family in other countries. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions to keep your account secure, you can use Sendwave with confidence. Remember to always review the fees and exchange rates before sending money, and only send money to people you know and trust.